Welcome. If you're tired of digging through your inbox to find tracking numbers and check on your deliveries, Gmail's package tracking feature is here to make your life easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable package tracking in the Gmail app, so you can see the status of your shipments right at a glance. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use for your online orders. Next, look for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to enter the configuration area for your Gmail app. If you have more than one email account connected, you'll see a list of your accounts here. Tap on the email address you want to enable package tracking for. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Package Tracking. This is the feature that will let Gmail automatically surface tracking information from your emails. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Package Tracking. That's it. Gmail will now start looking for tracking numbers in your incoming emails and show you the delivery status right in your inbox. You'll see updates like arriving tomorrow or delivered today without having to open each email or visit a shipping website. Keep in mind, enabling this feature lets Google share your tracking numbers with shipping carriers, so you get the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. With package tracking enabled, you can stay on top of your deliveries effortlessly. No more hunting for tracking links or missing important updates. Everything you need to know about your packages will be right there in Gmail, saving you time and hassle. Thanks for watching.